Welcome to this presentation on analyzing encrypt traffic analysis using explainable AI. This research was conducted by Shrudhamati Marley et al. And published in 1st January 2025. Today, we'll explore the key findings and contributions of this important work. Let's begin by understanding the problem this research addresses. Securing digital environments is crucial in today's interconnected world. Machine learning ML models are effective for network traffic classification but often act as black boxes, hindering trust and debugging. The study employs random forest, decision tree, and support vector machine open parenthesis SVM close parenthesis classifiers for network traffic analysis. SVM models utilize various kernel functions, open parenthesis, linear, RBF, polynomial close parenthesis to handle different data separability characteristics, aiming to maximize the margin between classes. Random forest builds an ensemble of decision trees using bootstrapping and feature randomization to prevent overfitting and provides direct feature importance measures. For the VPN traffic dataset, the random forest model achieved the highest accuracy of 90. Chap summary plots indicated that total BAT backward inter-arrival time was the most influential feature, followed by min flowyat and STD flowyat, highlighting the importance of packet timing. The results demonstrate a strong correspondence between the model reasoning derived from SHAP and LIME explanations and established network security knowledge. For VPN traffic, timing-based attributes were highly influential, consistent with VPN encapsulation altering timing patterns. In phishing URL detection, structural and lexical URL attributes were paramount, reflecting attacker manipulation. This study successfully demonstrated that integrating SHAP and LIME significantly enhances the interpretability and transparency of ML models for encrypted network traffic classification. While random forest, decision tree, and support vector machine classifiers achieved high accuracy in identifying VPN, phishing, and botnet traffic, the addition of XAI techniques provided deeper insights into feature contributions at both global and local levels.